Okay, so we've got the Mustool grinder. I put a thin cutting disc on so it's got minimum friction. I've got the 388VF battery it came with, fully charged. I'll put that on now, see that it works. Then I'm just going to cut this bar. It's only a thin bar, so it should go through it in seconds. Okay, so it's now stopped. Doesn't work at all. I've got no response from it whatsoever. For now, disconnect the battery and reconnect the battery. It will work again. Still haven't even got through, that's thin. You can see the size, it's only small. Still haven't got through it, stopped again. Won't work now until we disconnect the battery. Reconnect it again. So to cut one tiny bit of bar, taking 3 attempts. Once it cuts out, it won't turn back on without disconnecting the battery. So there you go.